to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Living Clutter Free. As you guys know, in my channel I show you guys how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If there's anything you're interested in, before we even get far in the video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button if you're new here. If you're not new here and you love this video, go ahead and click on that like button. Anybody, click on the like button. It helps my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go ahead and spruce up my living room, perhaps kitchen. If you don't see kitchen, then there's no kitchen. For the summertime. I love summer. Lately it hasn't been feeling like summer. It's been raining, it's been windy. Listen, summer is still here. 4th of July has passed, and we're going to go ahead and decorate for the summertime. I want to spruce out. I want to bring in colors. I want to bring in, what is it called, muted colors, not too bright, but I just want to go ahead and rearrange my furniture. As you guys know how I love to do that, and I'm going to share with you guys some tricks and tips here how to keep your home beautiful but with no clutter. Don't tell nobody. I don't want to take too much time here, so let's get into the video. Let's go. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so glad you're here watching another video. I love filming for you guys and showing my home, little tricks and tips here that show you how to live a simple minimalistic lifestyle, but it doesn't have to be boring, doesn't have to be cold. I love adding texture and making my home feel airy, bright and warm. That's what I love to do. Even though I do have minimal tendency, I prefer to live a clutter-free life so I can have certain things that I love to have without being confined to a minimalistic mindset.
All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you.
Quick tip with you guys. Like I say, I want to share some tips with you guys in this video. If you feel like your home hasn't been changed, your furnitures have been the same, go ahead and rearrange some of your furnitures. Remove certain things that you're so used to. Go ahead and remove them, rearrange them to a different room or a different setup of your living room, dining room, whatever it may be, and you'll be surprised how the home will feel like bigger, like you're in a different space. So just want to share that tips with you guys. Go ahead and rearrange some of your furnitures and you'll see a difference in your home.
Some turn use into abuse, and I'll stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be.
Tip number 2, guys. When you're decorating, take this in consideration. You want your home to tell a story. You don't want to just decorate just to decorate. Placement of things do matter. So when you're placing certain things, what is it that you want to speak about? When I decorate, especially on today's video, I'm speaking of summertime. I want my home to be bright, airy, and this place speaks peace, light. That's where I was thinking when I was placing certain things and having that pop of pink. As you can see, it matches my dress. number 3, guys, when you're decorating your home, try your best to incorporate elements that are natural. So you can grab some tree clippings, you can grab some leaves from the outside, some roses from your front porch to incorporate in your home. When you decorate, you don't want things to be a lot of plasticky. I will prefer to put a simple candle holder or an empty vase on my table instead of having a lot of fake items. It just does not look good. So take that in consideration when decorating, guys. I love incorporating books in my home decor. I love this book. I love the color. This is why I brought the color out for summer. This book is from Matters Stored. Guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money to be able to decorate your home. This book was from the Goodwill. It's an older book, as you can see, but I love what's inside. I sit down sometimes and I watch it. It inspires me where to place certain things, how to add fresh fruits and vegetables into my home decor, how to tie ribbons for Christmas. This book is so much fun, and again, I got it at Goodwill. And so go ahead and incorporate some books. Things do not have to be expensive to make your home look good. Books help you elevate your decor instead of being flat on the surfaces, as you can see with this beautiful black sculpture. So this book helps to elevate it, and I love it. Here I was trying to figure out if I wanted to keep the candle holder right there, or should I call it planter, or move it somewhere else, and I decided to move it right there, and I love the way that looks. Tip number 4, and my last tip for you guys on today's video, guys: allow your home to speak on itself. People think adding too much things on their home will make it beautiful. In the contrary, it will clutter your home and it will be lost among all the clutter. So go ahead and allow your home to speak for itself. Now we're going to end this video here by placing some Netflix and watching some video that inspires me, which is Believe How to Get Rich or things like that. I love that video. It inspires me with finances and things like that. So this will be all for today's video. I hope you love the video like I do. If you do, guys, please stay tuned for more video and go ahead and click on the like button. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Bye guys, until next week.